Welcome to the latest updates from Qlik. Discover powerful new features designed to help you unlock even more value from your data. Let's explore what's new this month. Qlik Cloud Analytics introduces Table Recipe, a lightweight spreadsheet-like experience for preparing single table datasets. It's designed to make quick, no-code data manipulations simple and accessible with instant visual feedback. Key highlights: spreadsheet-like interface for easy data prep, 60+ no-code functions for cleansing, formatting, and transforming data. Built-in column profiling and filtering to quickly inspect, explore, and refine your data. Flexible usage options. Stand-alone table recipe. Create a recipe as a catalog asset or embed in a larger data flow. We've enhanced window functions to improve syntax, usability, and flexibility, making advanced aggregations easier for analytics and ML data prep. One of the most requested governance features is here. Administrators now have precise control over who can create, manage, or read data connections, strengthening security, governance, and compliance. Highlights: global tenant-wide control, governance beyond spaces, stronger restrictions for connection creation. The App Performance Evaluation tool now supports large apps. As your apps grow, so does the importance of knowing what's happening inside them. With this new capability, developers can pinpoint performance bottlenecks in charts, sheets, and KPIs, even in the biggest apps, so they can deliver the fastest, smoothest experience possible. Evaluations on large apps consume large app reload capacity, ensuring there's no impact on users actively working with those apps. You can run evaluations directly from the Activity Center, through Qlik Automate, or via the Qlik Cloud APIs. New GenAI connectors have been added for Amazon Bedrock Conversion API, now supports all generative text models and guardrails. Google AI Gemini adds support for Google AI text generation models such as Gemini. We've added several enhancements to Direct Access Gateway, restrict file system access to specific spaces, apply changes without restarting the gateway, support for Oracle TNS names, process isolation enabled by default, allow connections to localhost, perform asynchronous load data requests via API, improved stability under heavy loads. Thank you for joining us for this month's updates. We're excited to keep delivering new ways to help you get the most from your data. See you next month.